Good morning, everyone. I am Pranav Patilkar. Today I am talking about my best friend. My best friend name. I have many friends in my school and tuition, but my best friend is Raghav. His nickname is Guddu. He is 14 years old. He is 14 years old. He is in ninth standard. He is studying in Sri Mukteshwar High School, Ausa. His hobby is swimming and gardening. His ideal person is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He is my best friend. There are three members in his family. His father name is Vishwas. He is a farmer. His mother name is Shantabai. She is a housewife. Our friendship is like a golden chain. We are our shadow. We share our secrets and thoughts together. We are best friends together. Thank you for listening my speech.